Hello, good morning. Able to hear me? Everyone able to hear me? Guys, can you please reply in the group, in the chat? Are you able to hear me? Everyone, please reply. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's start. Good morning, everyone. So I welcome you all to my 24th batch morning session. So I hope you are able to hear me. Yes, guys, are you able to see my screen and able to hear me? Yes. Okay. So let's start the session. Yeah. So we are all learning Informatica PowerCenter. So Informatica PowerCenter, we have morning and evening sessions. So morning, the session starts at 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So today I started a little late because people want to join. And evening session is 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Okay, you can join any one session. So if you're unable to join morning session, you can join an evening session. So that's how the sessions are going on. And our Raj Cloud Technologies, previously it was Raj Informatica. Now it is Raj Cloud Technologies. So Raj Cloud Technologies, phone numbers are 8105296858 and 9880490148. You can WhatsApp or you can call to other number 911386154. So these are the phone numbers. Okay. So before Monday session, you have to install. Before Monday session, you have to install Oracle 11G. Okay, and also Informatica 10.2.0. So we'll create a group today, WhatsApp group. Whoever paid the full fee, so we'll create a WhatsApp group. In that, I'll share these installation links. So I'll share a step-by-step installation video also. So you go through that and install Informatica. First install Oracle, then install Informatica. So to install Informatica, what is system requirement? The system requirements are 6 GB RAM and 150 GB hard disk. You have at least 6 GB RAM and 150 GB hard disk space should be available. And it will be a 64-bit operating system. It can be any processor, i3, i5, i7, and Windows 8, 10, 11, but 10, 11, it will work properly. Windows 10 and 11, it will work properly than 8. Okay, if you have 4 GB RAM, so take one more 4 GB RAM from the laptop showroom. Okay, so that is enough. Okay. Now next, so coming to the coming to the sessions. So first 2 weeks, it will be alternative sessions. Alternative session in the sense, alternative sessions in the sense, hold on a second, please. Just hold on a second. Yeah. So first 2 weeks, it will be alternative sessions. So alternative sessions in the sense, so we have a session today, and we have session on Monday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. After 2 weeks, it will be daily sessions. Okay. So coming to the recordings. Okay. So we'll give lifetime recordings. Okay. The recordings will be lifetime. Okay. So after this session, we will upload the lifetime recordings. Okay. Previously, I was not giving lifetime recordings, but now I am giving a lifetime recordings. Okay. Yes, please. So Saturday, Sunday may be holiday. Monday to Friday, the sessions will be there. Okay. Yes, please. So that's about it. Yeah. So after every session, you will get recordings. That's about it. Now, I request you to attend all the live sessions. Okay. So if you think that you cannot attend live sessions, you can watch the recordings also, both same. Okay, I can give 23rd batch recordings. Okay. So weekly 1 or 2 days. Actually, I will prefer to take live sessions. Okay. But as we have less people, it's your wish. Okay. So it's your wish. You can watch the recordings. It's your wish. You can watch the recordings whenever you have time. And weekly 1 or 2 days we'll take the doubts clearing sessions. Okay. So you want to watch recording sessions or live sessions? You want to watch recording sessions or live sessions? Anyone, please? Can you reply? Can you reply in the chat? Let me create a poll. 1 second. Just a second, guys. Hold on a second. You got a poll, everyone? So can you poll? Did you get a poll, guys, everyone? Okay, let's everyone replies. Okay, no problem. We'll take live sessions. No issues. We'll see. Okay, how it goes, we'll see. But I'll prefer to take live sessions. Okay. See, live sessions recording both are same. Okay. So I'll give my personal WhatsApp number. So you can, this is my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. So this is my personal WhatsApp number. While you are watching any video, if you get any doubt, directly WhatsApp me, or we'll add you in the groups. Okay. You can uh, you can ask in the group also. But as of now, we'll take the live sessions. Don't worry. Okay. As of now, we'll take the live sessions. Okay. So now next, so daily basis, attend the live session without fail, understand, practice, and attend the interviews and get the job. Okay. So attend as much as possible. On daily basis, what you will get? Daily basis, you will get a video recording after the live session and also a Google Drive link and also a Google Drive link, you will get it. Okay. So the material. So there are total 33 to 35 sessions. There are total 32 to 36 sessions. Okay. So based on the time. Okay. So this is how it is. Yes, please. So always watch the laptop, always watch the sessions in the laptop. Okay. So don't watch the session in mobile. Don't watch the live session in mobile because mobile screen is very less. Okay. You will not understand whatever I say. Mobile screen, it is very less. Okay. So that's how it is. Now, so in these 2 hours, watch in the laptop carefully. Okay. So it's the training will be 70 to 80 hours. So I will be covering data warehousing concepts, Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter 10.2.0 basics to advanced topics, Unix basics commands, mini project, resume preparation, interview questions, job assistance. Okay, these and all will be covered. This and all will be covered in the training. Okay. And always do not watch the video. First, join the live session, listen, understand, ask the question in the chat, practice without watching the video. If you watch the video and practice 100 times, then there is no use. If you don't watch the video and practice one time, then that will be helpful. Okay. If you miss any 1 or 2 sessions in between, that means you no need to worry about it because we are giving the session at lifetime. Okay. And we have a dedicated WhatsApp group, morning WhatsApp group, evening WhatsApp group. Okay, you can everyone you can discuss the doubts in that groups. Okay, you can discuss the doubts in that groups. Okay, and we have the practice groups also, and we have the practice groups also. Yes, please. So in the practice groups, okay, you can discuss with them. Okay, so as uh like the practice groups will be uh like 9 to 12 p.m. These are all WhatsApp groups again. Okay, so so please join any one WhatsApp group and practice more and more. Okay, yes, guys. So if you want to get a job, what you have to do? You have to attend the live sessions daily, and you have to practice whatever the tasks are given. You have to complete the mini project which I cover. You have to complete all the tests in the website. You have to read and understand all my PPTs and notes. This and all, you have to do it. Okay, if you want to get a job. So please don't waste time. And so please don't waste time. Okay. And attend the live sessions and practice more and more. Okay. Yes, guys. Are you clear, everyone? Everyone, are you clear, please? Can you reply? I need the replies, guys. Can you reply in the chat? Can you reply in the chat? Yes. Okay. Now let's go to the topic. Let's go to the topic. Okay. So what is data? Anyone? So do you know what is data? Anyone? Do you know what is data? Data is collection of information. Data is a collection of information. Then see, when I ask any question, you have to reply. Okay. So if you are not replying means there is no use of live sessions. Okay. You have to reply in the chat. If you don't reply, then there is no use of live sessions. So it's like recording only. It is like a recording only. Okay. Because in the recording, what we will do, we will just watch it. Same here also you are doing. Same here also, if you're doing means we can go to recording only. Okay, so I'll save lots of time. Anyways, we'll see. Anyways, we'll see. So data is collection of information. Everyone, are you there? Are you able to hear me? Can you reply in the chat? Everyone, are you there, please? Can you reply in the chat? Okay. So let's see. Data is collection of information. So any information is called data. Any information is called data. So what are the examples of data? The examples of data are retail data, healthcare data, government data, educational data, financial data. Okay. So examples of data are retail data, healthcare data, and government data, educational data, financial data. Okay. That's about data means. So if you go to anywhere data exists, if you go to supermarket, you will see the retail data. If you go to healthcare, if you go to healthcare, if you go to healthcare, that is, if you go to medical shop, or if you go to any hospital, you will see healthcare data. If you go to any government office, you will see government data. If you go to any college or school, then you will see educational data. If you go to any other that means bank or anywhere, you will see financial data. Okay. Now these data will be stored in where? The data will be stored in the format of tables or files. The data will be stored in the format of tables or files. Yes, please. So the tables will be stored in the format of tables and files. So files we will see. Files we will see later. As of now, we will see files we will see later. As of now, we will see uh, what we will see is what is table. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Okay. Yes, please. Just hold on a second. Hold on a second, please. Hold on a second. Yes. So we are discussing about tables. Yeah. So we are discussing about tables. So tables is a collection of rows and columns. So the data will be stored. The data will be stored. Okay. Uh, the data will be stored in the format of tables. So if you see, this is table look like this. Okay. So for example, this is the table. Okay. This is for example, this table name is called students. The table name is students. Okay. So we have student ID, student name, marks, city. Okay. Student ID, student name, marks, and city. So if you see, this is column header. In that we will be having rows 10, Raj, 100, Bangalore, 20, Ram, 200, Chennai, 30, Ramya, 300, Kochi, 40. Okay, Rajesh, 400, Hyderabad, 50, Suma, 500, Vizag. If you see here, in this table, we have 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are called columns. These 4 are called columns or attribute or fields or attributes. The vertical lines, this one, student ID, student name, marks, city. These are columns. Then these, if you see these things, 10, 20, 30, okay, 40, 50. Okay. So these things are rows. These are called rows or records. Rows or records. Yes, please. The horizontal lines are called rows or records. The vertical lines are called columns. Okay. So the data, if the data is stored in the format of rows and columns, that is called a table. That is called a table. Okay. So what is data? Data is collection of information. Data is collection of information. And where the data will store? In the table. So table is collection of data in the format of rows and columns. Now these tables will be stored in database. Okay. So this is called a database. For example, this is a database. In this database, we will have tables stored. In this database, we have the tables. Different tables will be stored. Different tables will be stored. So if you see here, data is collection of information. Data is collection of information, and table is collection of data, and database is collection of tables. Database is collection of tables. Okay, data is collection of information. Table is collection of data. Database is collection of tables. Database is collection of tables. Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Able to understand? Everyone, are you clear, please? Can you please reply? Everyone, please reply in the chat. Yes. Okay. So this is called data. So data is collection of information, and collection of data. Database is collection of tables. Yes, please. Now, what are the examples of databases? The examples of databases is education database, financial database, healthcare database, government database, retail database. Okay. So these are the examples of databases. Now, in our system or a laptop, how to create a table? So this is Excel sheet. This is not exactly a table actually. In the Excel sheet, I create a table. But if you see here, I have Oracle installed. In that, you will see the table. See, this is the table. If you see here, this is the table. Okay. So this is the table. If you see here, check this. So this is table. You see here, this is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 columns and 14 rows. So how these tables will create? So if you want to store the data in the format of tables, we should have a software installed in our system. How to create these tables? How to see the data into the tables? Okay, so you should have a software installed into your system. That is called database server. If you wanted to work on the table, or if you want to create a table, if you want to see the data into the table, then what we need to do? What we should do? Okay, so we should use the database server. We should use the database server. Okay. So database server is a software. If you install database server, then we can create the table. You can see the data into the table. You can delete the data. You can update the data. You can do anything. Yes, please. So what are the examples of database servers? The examples of database servers are Oracle database, SQL Server database, Teradata database, Greenplum, DB2, Snowflake, MongoDB, Cassandra. There are many databases available. But in that, the most powerful database is Oracle database. It was very old database, but still people are using the same thing. Still many companies are using Oracle database only because it is very popular. Because Oracle database is very popular. Yes, guys. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Everyone able to understand? Clear about it? Yes, guys. So these are the different database servers. These are the different database servers. You no need to learn all the database servers. You can learn any one. If you learn Oracle, it will be easy to learn all the things. So you can learn any one database perfectly. So in our training, we will tell you about Oracle database server. We will tell you about Oracle database server. Okay. So we are all learning ETL tool Informatica. To learn ETL tool Informatica PowerCenter, database knowledge is required. Database experience is required. Okay. So database experience in the sense you must know at least one database. If you want to work on Informatica, you must know at least one database. You must know at least one database, that is Oracle database. Okay. So why? Because database is a backbone for any ETL tool. Database is database like Oracle. Database. What are databases? Oracle, SQL Server, okay, or Teradata, okay, these things. Database is a backbone for any ETL tool. Any ETL tool. So you must learn database. Okay. Now, so what is a database? Database is collection of tables. Table is a collection of data. Okay, and data is collection of information. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, now let's see why we will use Informatica. Why we will use Informatica. And where we will use Informatica. Where we will use Informatica. Okay. What is the use? That means if I go to any company, how, that means what is the use? What is the use if I learn and work on Informatica? If I learn and work on Informatica, what is the use? Okay, that we need to see now. That we need to see now. Yes, please. So I will tell you one real-time example. Why we will use Informatica, where we will use Informatica. What is the use? What is the use if I learn or work on Informatica? Let's take a big bazaar. Okay, big bazaar. Big bazaar is a supermarket. You know all big bazaar. It is a supermarket. So it is a retail supermarket means retail business. It's a retail business. Yes, please. It's a retail business. Yes, guys. So Big Bazaar is a supermarket. It's a retail business. So how Big Bazaar works? In Big Bazaar, how they will use Informatica, we will see now. In Big Bazaar, how they will use Informatica, we will see now. Yes, please. Okay. Let's see now. Yes, guys. Let's see now. Suppose you go to Big Bazaar. I'm a customer, or you are a customer. You will go to Big Bazaar. You go to Big Bazaar. You take a trolley, and what you will do? You go to Big Bazaar and you take a trolley. Just hold on a second, please. Hold on a second. Yes. Okay. So what we will do once we go to Big Bazaar, what we will do? We'll go to Big Bazaar and we'll take a trolley. So that means now what we are learning in Big Bazaar, how they will use Informatica, or in any business, how they will use Informatica. I am discussing now. So if you go to Big Bazaar, okay, it's a supermarket and it's a retail business. You take a trolley and you take whatever the items you want. Okay. So you will take whatever the groceries, whatever the vegetables, whatever the fruits, whatever you want, you put it in the trolley and you will go to the cashier. So now what cashier will do? Cashier will take your items. Each item is having a barcode. So he will scan the barcode and he will enter. And he will enter all your items. Okay. He will enter all your items. Once he enter all your items, the total will be shown automatically. Suppose total is 2000 rupees, for example. And he will click a print. When you click a print will be given to you. And internally, when a cashier clicks print, internally, the data will be stored in a table. The data will be stored in a table in a database. Table in a database. It will be stored in a table and it will be stored in the database internal. They will be having Oracle or SQL Server or anything installed. So each customer data, you are the customer one. So you took 10 products. Okay. Those 10 products data will be stored in the table. Like that, today 100 customers entered. So all the data will be stored in the table format in Big Bazaar. Okay, suppose for example, I am Big Bazaar owner. I am the owner of Big Bazaar. Owner of Big Bazaar, for example. If I am the owner of Big Bazaar, at the end of the day, what I want, I will see what are the sales today. At the end of the day, what I will see, what are the sales today? Did I get profit or loss? Did I get profit or loss? These two things I will see. Because I am the owner of the Big Bazaar, I run Big Bazaar, I own Big Bazaar, I am running a business. What I want is, I want to see what are the total sales today and whether I got profit or loss. Suppose, for example, today is 31st May 2023, 2024. I got in Bangalore, I have only one branch, that is Indiranagar branch. I have only one branch in India, Big Bazaar. In Indiranagar, total sales are, so these are the today's total sales. Okay, so total customers, 200 people entered. Total sales are, for example, 10 lakhs. Total sales, I got 10 lakhs. Today's sales is 10 lakh. Today, 200 people entered. They paid on cashier collected 10 lakh rupees. And they will calculate expenses for today. Expenses. So what are the expenses? Rent of the building, maintenance of the building, per day, I'm saying per day. Maintenance of the building, employee salaries, okay, employee salaries, rent of the building, okay, maintenance of the building, employee salaries, okay, and also cost price of the goods, cost price, all these things called expenses. So today's total sales is 10 lakhs. Expenses are suppose 5 lakhs. Then profit equal to sales minus expenses. So I got 10 lakh sales today. In that 5 lakh expenses, so I got 5 lakh profit. I got 5 lakh profit. Okay, that is how I will calculate. For example, suppose I got 5 lakh sales. Sales are 5 lakh, expenses are 10 lakh. Then I will get loss. Then I will get loss of 5 lakhs. Okay. So like that Big Bazaar will calculate based on the data they have. For example, Big Bazaar they increased their business. They have branches in Bangalore, They have branches in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi. They have branches. In Big Bazaar, there are 10 branches. In Hyderabad, there are 20 branches. In Chennai, 15 branches. In Mumbai, 25 branches. In Delhi, 5 branches. Like this, they have different branches. Now, what I will do now? Okay, as a Big Bazaar owner, I have almost 30, 60, 70, 85 branches are there total. In 85 places, my business is running. Now, what I want the reports. I want the reports. That means I want total sales in bank, total sales, branch wise total sales. I want branch wise reports. What I want ultimately, I want the reports. What kind of reports I want? Branch wise reports. Branch wide reports means what? In Bangalore, 10 branches. In Indranagar branch, what is the sales? What is the profit? In Jayanagar, what is the sales? What is the profit? In JP Nagar, branch wise. City wise, city-wide reports. And next, state-wide reports. City-wide means in throughout Bangalore. So total 10 branches, I want the reports. Total Hyderabad, I want the reports. Total Chennai, I want the reports like that. Branch-wide, city-wide, state-wide, zonal-wide, country-wide. South zone, east zone, north zone, country-wide. Not only this, I want daily report. I want daily reports. I want monthly reports, daily reports, weekly reports. Okay, monthly reports, quarterly reports, and yearly reports. Daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports, quarterly reports. So means daily total in Bangalore, how much? This month in Bangalore, how much? In this year, throughout India, how much? In this quarter, throughout Delhi, how much profit I got? Like that, I want different brand, different. Like that, I want different. What I can say, different reports I need. Okay, different reports I need. So now, who will generate these reports? How they will work? Okay, I will tell you now. See, this is a Big Bazaar. In Big Bazaar, for example, this is Big Bazaar. In Big Bazaar, cashier will be there. For example, he is a cashier. Cashier will be sitting in the Big Bazaar. He is a cashier. Whenever the customers entered into Big Bazaar, okay, these cashier, whatever they enters, that will go to tables. That will go to different tables. Okay, what cashier is doing? Customers are doing transactions. What customers are doing? Customers are doing transactions. Daily, customers will do transactions. Daily, what customers will do? Transactions. These transactions will go and store in the tables. These are all the tables. So these tables are called transaction tables. Transactional tables or OLTP. Transactional tables or OLTP tables. What these are called? Transactional tables or OLTP tables. OLTP means online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. Online transactional processing. So this is Big Bazaar. Okay, this is a business. This is Big Bazaar. Okay. So in the Big Bazaar, we have 5 tables in one branch. Let's take one branch. Okay, in this one branch, whatever the cashier enter, the one customer will do one transaction. One customer is entered, he took the goods, he give the cashier, that is called one transaction. Like that, today 300 customers entered into Indranagar branch. So 300 transactions will store in the tables. So these kind of tables are called OLTP tables or transactional tables, also called source tables, also called raw data. This is called raw data. This transactional data, what we will call transactional data. The data in these tables are called transactional data. Transactional data. This transactional data is also called raw data. This raw data is stored in the transactional tables or OLTP tables or source tables, also called source tables. Okay. Now, by using Informatica, so this is Informatica. By using Informatica, what is this? It is Informatica. Okay. So this is Informatica. We are all learning Informatica. This is Informatica ETL tool. It is an ETL tool. What we will do? We will extract the data from these tables. What we will do? We will Informatica, by using Informatica, extract the transactional data. Extract the transactional data from OLTP tables. Extract or read or get the data. Extract or read or get the data from this table. In Informatica, we will modify the data. We will transform the data. We will modify the data, or we will transform the data, and we will load it to OLAP. There will be one more database called, this is OLAP, this is OLTP. In this also we have tables. In this also we have tables. Okay, different tables. But these tables are called analytical tables. These tables are called, so these are called transactional data. We will take the transactional data. We will take the transactional data. We will transform it by using or modify the data by using Informatica. And we will load the data. What we will do? We will load the data. We will load the data, or what we will do? We will put the data, or we will write the data, to which tables? To analytical tables or analytical. This is called analytical data. This is called analytical data. Analytical data. These also called OLAP tables. OLAP means online analytical data. Online analytical processing. Online analytical processing. OLAP means processing. Okay. Also called target tables. Okay. So we will extract the data from different OLTP tables, modify the data or transform the data, and we load the data to data warehouse. This is called data warehouse or OLAP. These are all called data warehouse tables or OLAP tables. From these tables, reporting people will generate the reports. Okay. So then reporting people will generate what? Who are the reporting people? Who are working on Power BI? Who are working on Power BI? Okay, there are a few reporting tools are called Power BI. Okay, so Power BI, Tableau, Cognos. So these are the reporting tools. Okay, so they will generate the reports ultimately. So Informatica is a ETL tool. ETL means extract, transform, load. Extract the data from OLTP tables. Extract means read the data or get the data from the OLTP tables. Transform or modify the data by using Informatica. And load or write or put the data to data warehouse or OLAP tables. Data warehouse or OLAP tables. From these OLAP tables, reports will generate. So I will give a very good small example. See, suppose I have a project. For example, I have a project. Okay. What is my project? My project is to construct a 4-story building. This is my project. What is the project? My project is construct an apartment, which is having 5 floors. This is my project. What I will do, I will contact to any contractor. Now, what contractor will do? First, he will take raw material. What he will do? He will take raw material. Okay. So what he will do? He will take the raw material. So what are the raw material? He will take the raw material. Okay. He will take the raw material. Yes, please. What is this raw material? So what is the raw material? Raw material is sand, cement, bricks, iron, etc. etc. Okay. Contractor will take raw material. Okay. And he will hire the people. He will modify this raw material. What he will do? He will modify the raw material. Okay. He will modify the raw material. Modify the raw material. And we got the building out of it. We got the building out of it. We got the building. Okay. We got a building. This building having 5 floors. This building having 5 floors. Okay. So this raw material is also called OLTP. See, if you compare here, what we are doing, if you compare here, what we are doing, ultimately what we want, I am having a business. In the business, I want the reports. What kind of reports? Daily reports, monthly reports, yearly reports, branch-wise reports, like that. So what? From the client, my client is Big Bazaar. I got what? I got the raw data called transaction data. Same way, to construct a building, I purchased sand, cement, bricks, iron, and I given to contractor. So I given this data to Informatica. What Informatica is doing? Modifying. After modifying, it got OLAP tables, analytical tables. So these are modified modified means what? Out of it, I built walls. Okay. Out of it, I build floors. I build ceiling. Okay. Yes, guys. Out of this, I built the walls, floors, and ceiling. I built it. Okay. And stone also here. Yeah, raw material is stone also. Yes, please. I built it. So now I got 5-story building without painting, nothing. So we have the raw data. We transformed it and loaded it to data warehouse. We got the raw material. We transformed and modified. We got the building, but it is not painted. There is no interior is done. There is nothing is done. Can we live in this building without paint, without interior, without a good? That means we got a shape. That's it. But it is not painted, or it is not having any interior done. Can we live in the building? Anyone, please? Can you live in this building? Without painting and without floors, without interior, can you live in the building? Quickly, guys, I need the answers. I need the answers, please. Everyone, please reply. Are you there? Are you listening to me? How can I know if you don't reply? If you don't reply, how can I know whether you are listening or not? Guys, are you there? See, if you don't reply, then we'll go for recording sessions. It's same, right? If you don't reply, Guys, are you there? Are you able to hear me? Can you reply, please? Can you reply in the chat? One second, hold on. Okay, guys, no problem. Yeah. So you cannot live in this building. You cannot live in this building. Okay. So why we now what we need? We need interiors. What we need? We need to give a good shape to this building. How to give a good shape to the building? By doing the interiors. By doing the interiors, okay, we can give a good shape to building. We can give a good shape to building. Okay. We can give a good shape to building. Okay. So by doing paints or interior, we can give a good shape to building. That is what we are doing. That is also what we are doing here. Okay. So this is called extract. This is called extract. Okay. Extract, transform, load. And these are reports. These are reports. Yes, guys. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Okay. So this is OLTP and this is Informatica. This is Informatica and this is OLAP and these are reports. Okay. So we are taking raw data and we are giving a good shape of this data is called reports. Is called reports. Now, why we need these reports needed in any business? Why we require the reports? Why we require these reports? To improve the business. To improve the business, we require the reports. To improve the business, we require the reports. For example, I am daily seeing, I am monthly watching Indranagar business. I am seeing Indranagar business. Okay. So when I see Indranagar business, I got in January month, I got 30 lakh loss. In January month, I got 30 lakh loss. Okay. In February month, I got 50 lakh loss, 60 lakh. In March, I got uh, 45 lakh loss. Okay, I'm getting loss on every month. Okay. In April, I got okay, I got 70 lakh loss. Okay, so I'm seeing the monthly report of Indranagar branch. Indranagar branch. Okay. I'm seeing the monthly report of the Indranagar branch, and I got to know that, every month I am getting a loss. Then I need to take a business decision. So what business decision I need to take? Whether I want to continue this business or not. If I don't want to continue the business, then what I'll do, I'll remove the branch there, and I will shift the branch to any other. I close the business in Indranagar, and I will open in a good crowdy location. Okay. So like this, business decisions I require. Okay. What is the difference between ETL and ELT? ETL means first we will do extract, then we'll do transform, then we'll do load. ELT means first we will extract, then we will load, then we will transform. But we will learn only ETL here. Informatica is the ETL tool. Okay. So we will use only this. Again, what is the business decisions? For example, I want to know in total all branches in India, there are 3,000 employees are working in Big Bazaar. 3,000 employees are working in Big Bazaar. 3,000 employees are working in Big Bazaar, for example. Okay. So when we have 3,000 employees are working in Big Bazaar, I want to give the bonus to the employees. Now what I will get? I will get a report. Top 300 salaried people. Top 300 salaries people or top 500 salaried people, I'll get a report. And I will increase the bonus of 5%. Remaining people are below 1,000 people. Below 1,000 salaried people, I'll give 10%. The remaining people, I'll give 7%. Bonus. Like this, I can take the business decisions by using Informatica. Okay. So what Informatica is doing here, Informatica is taking the data and it is modifying the data as per the business, and we are loading to data warehouse. From the data warehouse, so this is our work. Your work is, you are all ETL developer, you are all Informatica developer. Your work is only this: extract, transform, and load. Your work is only this: extract, transform, and load. That's it. Okay, you no need to generate any reports. Reports will be generated by reporting people. That is who are working in Power BI, Tableau, but ultimately Big Bazaar wants reports. Okay, we will take the data and we will analyze the data and we'll give it to reporting people. The reporting people will generate the reports. Are you clear, please, everyone? Why we will use Informatica? What is the use of Informatica? Are you clear? Yes, guys. So this is where we will use Informatica. In the next session, we will see more about database, more about Informatica. So I will create a group today. Okay, see, whoever pay the full fee, if you pay the full fee, what you will get it? Number one, you will get WhatsApp group. We will be added in the WhatsApp group. Number two, you will get a website access. Number three, you will be added in the WhatsApp group. You will get the website access. Okay. And number three, you will get the daily recordings. Daily recordings will be there in the website. You will get daily material. Yes, please. So if you pay the full fee, you will be added in the WhatsApp group. You will get the website access. You will get the daily recordings. You will get the daily material. So to get it, you have to pay the full fee. If you have paid for partial fee, so please pay the full fee and get all the access. So the next session is on Monday. Same time, 9:30. Fine, guys. So is my session is interesting? Is my English is understandable? Is my session is interesting and understandable? One second. Yes, guys. Yeah. Okay. So whatever the doubts you need to ask, in chat only. Okay. So I'll reply your questions. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the chat. Okay. But anyways, we'll see you on Monday, guys. Okay. So by the time I'll send the installation links. I'll send the installation links. Please go through the installation links and please go through the installation video and install Oracle, install Informatica. Fine. Yeah, Oracle will also be covered. Yes. So our training will be covered. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay, I will cover data warehousing concepts. As I told you, I'll cover all these things. Here I already told. Okay, here I already told. I will cover data warehousing concepts, Oracle SQL basics, Informatica PowerCenter basics to advanced, Unix basic commands, mini project, resume preparation, interview questions, job assistance. All these things I will cover in our training. Okay, fine. See you on Monday, everyone. See you on Monday, guys. Monday to Friday. First 2 sessions, first 2 weeks, alternative sessions. First 2 weeks, alternative sessions. From next week onwards, it will be daily. After 2 weeks, it will be daily. Okay. Thank you all, guys. See you on Monday. Thanks for joining. Thank you all. See you on Monday.